Well, this is VolunteerFest. This is our 26th annual signature event called VolunteerFest, which is held county-wide, but it starts here this morning. And traditionally, we hold this event in late October, but because of the significance of the 20th anniversary of 9/11, we decided this year to move it to today and kick off the event with a commemorative ceremony here jointly with public safety agencies and elected officials. And we have a full day, and it actually will probably go through the whole weekend of over 30 activities involving more than 800 community members all over Fairfax County. It means a lot to me because I was an eyewitness to the attack on the Pentagon. I was there right next to the Pentagon, stuck in traffic on the morning of 9/11, and it made an indelible impression on me, like it has on everybody. And we know that 9/11 filled everyone with emotion. It filled everyone with resolve. That resolve took various forms, and one of them, fortunately, was the resolve to, come back to being nice to your neighbor, helping your neighbor, and that caused a real resurgence of volunteerism.
Today is a filled day with our community coming out to support our men and women and our first responders, and frankly, to pay tribute to the many lives that were lost on 9/11. This is never an easy day for any of us. It is a beautiful day outside, and for those of you who remember 9/11 as vividly as I do, you know it was an eerily similar beautiful day that turned into a tragic day. We all know what we were doing at the moment the 9/11 events occurred, and I think we all realized whatever we were doing was immediately unimportant compared to what was happening in our country. It's hard to believe that 20 years have passed. And as we honor the lives of those who were lost in responding to 9/11, it's important that we also think about where we are today and what we learned from 9/11. 184 people alone died at the Pentagon. And in our region, there was much pain. But also that day, our first responders, their families, and our community stood up and said, "We will be resilient, and we will protect Fairfax County and the United States of America." Our men and women in Fairfax County have responded throughout the United States and world and are recognized for their professionalism and their self-sacrifice to help people in need.